Hi, this is Luke Total Parts Pro. Today with 2018 Hyundai Elantra, stock number 7214. It's ran from the 8th 2016 to the 12th 2020. It's a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by a 7-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4FJ 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door no dents, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear boot look no dents, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door one dent, right hand door mirror, right front guard, right front headlight, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic air shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,